support that we have right here. Moving on to SPXL, the market. Let's see, what did I have written down here? I said on May 30th that the chart guy sentiment was that this was an ideal bull flag and there is decreasing bullish volume or bearish volume. I would concur with this analysis, I guess. I'm only seeing a bull flag at the moment. On the short term, I'm neutral as the bull flag consolidates. I can see the market dropping very lightly for the next, towards the end of the week and into mid next week. For the medium term, I see a bullish triangle, ascending triangle breakout, and we'll cover that in a second. And in the longer term, I see that we are slightly overbought and the RSI divergence on the daily. So what am I talking about here? So I guess right here, I see that we are overbought, and the RSI divergence on the daily actually comes to us right here, as we see marked by this blue arrow, that this is the high of our RSI, and we move downwards. And we're just bouncing off this 50% RSI level. However, in the price action, we can see that while we moved down in RSI, we moved up in price. This is typically not a great sign. However, it's not the end of the world because we did have a breakout and we may just be flagging. And last but not least, we are staying above this 50 RSI line very nicely, which is very bullish for the scenario, the pattern that's playing out right here. Let's zoom into the hourly and see this bull flag consolidation. So just touching on the ascending triangle that I have here, I have our price pattern. We're supposed to move up, touch A, B, C, D, E, break out a little bit, retest, and then move higher. So what do we have in the price? We have move up, touch, confirms our resistance level, A confirms our support level, and we have B, C, D, E, breakout, and we're currently in the midst of this wave right here, which is retesting previous support. Now we might have hit it today, but I'm not so sure, even though we did have a nice turnaround in stock prices here towards the end of the day. Let's move on to the 15-minute and just take a look. You can definitely, if you want the flag right here, let's see, let's draw it from right here all the way down over there. All right, so that is my short-term analysis, medium-term and long-term for the S&P 500 3x leveraged ETF. Let's move on to volatility, XIV, ZIV.